Hey everybody, what's today's date?
I don't know. You ain't paying me. You don't be asking me no
I think
questions.
it's the 11th.
Okay.
It's the 11th day of Vlogust, 11th of August. And I just realized I didn't do my vlog today. So now I'm going to do it. Me and the hubby. Get in here, dude. He get on my nerves. It's just me and him. Because all the kids are gone. It's just me and the old man. Well, I was making a video since I hadn't done one in a while, and I realized my neck needed to be, shaped up. So he's doing it. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday. I'm not, because the company I have, but whatever.
Whoa.
Come on now.
It's a whole lot of house for you to be in.
I don't want this to be too long now.
Ooh.
Get to work. So yeah, he's edging me up. And hopefully I will have that video up tomorrow night after I finish editing it. But I'm so sad. I miss all my nieces and nephews. Don't you do?
Yeah. Miss y'all.
I'm sad.
But
But yeah, hopefully y'all can hear me over this buzzing. But we just want to say hey. Hope y'all had a great day, and we'll see ya tomorrow. Right, Dude? We'll do another vlog tomorrow, me and Dude.
tomorrow's my day off.
Anyway. All right, see y'all later. Have a good night.